15 seconds.
Minus 15. So we will have first the ignition of the RCT at minus
10,
3 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
RCT
1,
ignition.
0, plus 1, plus 2,
PS1 and
plus
ground
3,
lift up on
plus
ignited.
4, plus
Yes,
5,
we-
Lift off
plus 6,
normal.
7,
Vehicle lift off normal
8,
with the ignition
9,
of 4 solid
plus 10
strap-ons
seconds.
and the core stage.
Auto tracking.
Vehicle is majestically
Plus
going
15
through the
seconds.
atmosphere. 17 seconds into the
plus
flight
20
now.
seconds,
As I mentioned, this little overcast condition, little cloudy
plus 25
outside.
seconds,
So we are not exactly
lift
able to see the
strap-ons
vehicle. This is the
ignited.
vehicle. At 20 seconds
Plus
into the
20
flight.
seconds.
Performance normal.
And we heard the announcement, the air lift
Plus
strap-on
35
also has
seconds.
been ignited at a specified time of around 25 seconds. So now we have
Plus
the
40
vehicle with
seconds.
6 solid strap-ons and the core motor going through the atmosphere.
plus
And
45
presently we are
seconds,
at 45 seconds and the altitude is
plus
around
50
5
seconds,
kilometers. Velocity of around
plus 55
just
seconds,
nearing 1 kilometer per second velocity. So
Plus
we
1
have at
minute.
70 seconds the separation of the ground lead strap-on, which was ignited along with the core solid motor. We're just awaiting for the announcement for the yes, ground lead
Ground lead
strap-on has been
strap-on
separated
separated.
at 70 seconds. And the view of the
Star 1 and 2 in main auto.
time versus velocity plot,
tracking
which
SCBD
very
2.
precisely shows the first stage performance is normal.
First stage performance normal.
And at 90 seconds, we will have the separation of the remaining 2 air lead strap-ons, which were
Plus 1
ignited at
minute, 30
25
seconds.
seconds into the flight.
Trivandrum AOS.
Air lift strap-on separated.
Yes, air lead strap-on has been separated. And we will have the separation of the first stage happening at 110 seconds when the vehicle altitude will be around 110 kilometers. So right now we are at 71 kilometers. And a close look at the
PS1
flight
is
parameters
separated.
shows the
PS2
pre-flight and
started.
flight predictions are very close to nominal.
plus 2 minutes,
So 122 seconds now, 94.8 kilometers.
Second stage performance normal.
So first stage separated 110 seconds and the second stage has ignited and the second stage performance is normal. So we will have the burning of the second stage going for almost 150 seconds. As I mentioned, during the second stage of flight, we will have 2 important events. One will be the separation of the payload fairing, which should happen in the next 4 to 5 seconds, 150 seconds when the altitude is
Heat
around.
shield separated.
Yes, payload fairing has been separated. And this will be followed by the initiation of the closed loop guidance algorithm,
performance
which
normal.
will steer the vehicle right from the instant at which it has been initiated up to all the way up to the target conditions are met. So 165 seconds into the flight, the velocity is around 2.2 kilometer per second. The vehicle has moved a distance of almost 150 kilometers from the launch base, and the altitude is around 158 kilometers.
plus
So
3
as per
minutes,
the nominal sequence, we should have the separation of the second stage happening at 260 seconds, which is roughly 80 seconds from now.
नाउ हमारा द्वितीय चरण अपना कार्य पूरा कर रहा है। यह एक द्रवीय चरण है और इसमें हम अपने स्वदेश द्वारा विकसित विकास इंजन का भी प्रयोग करते हैं। यह करीब करीब 800 किलोन्यूटन का
Second
बल
stage
उत्पन्न करता है
performance normal.
और 150 सेकंड तक टोटल ये कार्य करता है। आप जो ये इवेंट्स देख रहे हैं हम अपने स्क्रीन पर, वो हमारे अनुवर्तन दूरमिति और दूरदेश नेटवर्क द्वारा लाया जा रहा है। उड़ान के पथ की प्राप्ति करने के लिए हम विभिन्न भौगोलिक स्थानों पर स्थित भूकेंद्रों का अनुवर्तन दूरमिति और दूरदेश के लिए उपयोग करते हैं। PSLV C-36 के उड़ान के दौरान हम श्रीहरिकोटा, तिरुवनंतपुरम और मॉरिशस भूकेंद्रों
Plus
का
4
उपयोग
minutes.
करेंगे। रॉकेट में लगे एंटेनाओं के माध्यम से रॉकेट के पथ और स्वास्थ्य की जानकारी ये भून केंद्र प्राप्त करते हैं और यह जानकारी वास्तविक काल में श्रीहरिकोटा प्रेषित की जाती है। इन्हीं प्राप्त जानकारियों को हम रॉकेट के उड़ान के समय आपको दिखा रहे हैं। हम बहुत ही नजदीक हैं द्वितीय चरण के पृथक्करण और तृतीय चरण के प्रज्वलन के पास।
So
PS2 stage separated.
263
PS3
seconds.
stage ignited.
And we just heard the announcement, the second stage of the PSLV C-36 has been separated at an altitude of around 290 kilometers and third stage has been successfully ignited. As you're aware, the third stage of the rocket is the solid stage with the 7 tons of propellant will burn for nearly
Third stage
110
performance
seconds.
normal.
And after the burnout of the third stage, it will continue to go together with the fourth stage till the thrust of the third stage totally dies down. And after that, the third stage will be separated from fourth stage, followed by
Plus
the ignition
5
of the
minutes.
fourth stage. So we are at 300 seconds. And if you look at the flight parameters, which is basically the velocity on the y-axis, and on the x-axis, we have the time scale. The red curve shows the pre-flight, and the green one is the one which we are getting the telemetry from the launcher as in the flight. A very close match with respect to the pre-flight and the flight parameters that we are achieving in the flight now. So 320 seconds, and vehicle is at an altitude of 360. The ResourceSat 2A mission being a 817 kilometer sun-sync orbit, the trajectory is a little bit steeper than the usual missions that we had earlier during this year, which is in an orbit of around 500 kilometer, where the satellite has to be
Third
injected
stage
around that
performance
altitude.
normal.
And this mission being 817 kilometer, the trajectory during the second phase of flight itself is little bit steeper now. So 350 seconds and 5.2 kilometer velocity. Maybe we'll anytime hear the burnout of the third stage, followed by a coasting of nearly
Plus 6 minutes.
144 seconds before we have the ignition of the fourth stage. So nominally, after the burnout of the third stage, the separation should happen at 520 seconds. So we are roughly at 375 seconds. View of the Mission Control Center, some of the executives, Chairman ISRO, having a look at the flight parameters and the performance of the third stage in the flight. All going nominal. And as per the pre-flight preparation, the PS3 separation should happen at 520 seconds at 620 kilometer altitude with a velocity of around 5.7, and the PS4 ignition should happen immediately 10 seconds after that. So almost 400 seconds of flight with a velocity of around 6 kilometers. And the final injection velocity that we are looking at is around 7.5 kilometer per second when the ResourceSat 2A reaches into a orbit of 817 kilometers.
Plus 7 minutes.
So we're just awaiting for the announcement of the PS3 burnout, followed by the separation of the PS3 at 520 seconds. The PS3 has burnt out. Maybe another. It's right now. It's in the coasting phase. During the third and fourth stage, in the next 100 seconds, we will hear the announcement for the separation of the third stage from the PS4.
उड़ान से 440 सेकंड बीत चुके हैं। हम 535 किलोमीटर ऊंचाई पर आ चुके हैं और अभी फिलहाल यान की निशक्ति उड़ान यानी नो थ्रस्ट कोस्टिंग जोन चल रहा है। यह कोस्टिंग जोन उड़ान के परिपथ के डिजाइनर्स को बहुत ही एक सर्वोत्तम अवधि चुनने का मौका देती है, जिससे कि हम विभिन्न प्रकारों के कक्षीय अवस्थाओं को इष्टतम रूप से प्राप्त कर सकें। इस अभियान में 144 सेकंड का कोस्ट है, जिसमें कि 134 सेकंड तक तृतीय चतुर्थ चरण साथ साथ चलेंगे और चतुर्थ चरण के केवल 10 सेकंड चतुर्थ चरण के प्रज्वलन से केवल 10 सेकंड पहले तृतीय चरण को अलग किया जाएगा, जो कि अब करीब 30 सेकंड के अंदर होना चाहिए। उड़ान के अंत में, कोस्ट के अंत में हम मोशन क्षण से 521 सेकंड पर होंगे और उड़ान की गति करीब 5.72 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की होगी और यान धरती से करीब 575 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर होगा। हम काफी नजदीक हैं। किसी भी क्षण आप सुनेंगे कि तृतीय चरण को पृथक कर दिया गया है और चतुर्थ चरण का इग्निशन किया जाएगा।
So 530 seconds, another 18 seconds as per the pre-flight prediction for the separation of the PS3 from the PS4. But as I told you, during the second, third stage and fourth stage flight, we have the
PS3
closed loop
separated.
guidance. So the timings are basically decided by the onboard computer. And we just now heard the announcement, the third stage has been separated at 523 seconds.
PS4 engine
And
started.
10 seconds later, PS4 engine also has been
Plus 9
ignited
minutes.
now. I'll just wait for the announcement for the performance of the PS4. So we reached almost 650 kilometers. And the range parameter that is shown on your screen is 1,770 kilometers. Basically, is an indication of how far the launcher, the upper stage, has moved from the present station coordinate at Sriharikota.
Fourth stage performance normal.
Yes, the fourth stage performance is normal. And we will have a burn time of nearly 500 seconds of the PS4 stage before it reaches the target conditions. where as per the pre-flight predictions, the timing, the cutoff should happen at 1028 seconds, which is nearly 450 seconds from now. And vehicle should attain an altitude of around 826 kilometers and a velocity around 7.4.